Hello guys, hey, this is Mitch Grooms from Atlanta, Georgia. What we're going to do today, we're actually going to change the supercharged oil on this 1998 showroom new 70,000 mile Jaguar XJR Supercharged. I have not seen any videos on YouTube with this being done. I'm surprised. Changing the oil in this thing is not, we're not changing the motor oil, we're changing the supercharged oil. It's a totally different thing. What we're going to use today is this right here. It's very easy. Here's the parts that you'll need. You can get this from eBay, Amazon. This is actually the part numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8, 2. Ginger Motors also makes this product, and you can actually buy this in a set. You get the 2 bottles and the syringe for like $28. What we're going to use this for, we're going to actually measure exactly what we're taking out. What we take out, we put back in. Very important. You got your 3/16. Yep. I apologize for all the noise. I live on a busy street. A lot of background noise, and I apologize. All right, 3/16 Allen wrench or hex bit. Also, small screwdriver, turkey baster. How'd that get in there? We're not using turkey baster today. That's really all you need. So if you want to see more videos of this car, just go to YouTube. There are plenty of videos. This car is actually on Scotty Kilmer's channel. He actually did a preview of my car. All right, the next step we're going to do is we're going to angle this hood in a different manner. It's easier, it's hard to get under here with the hood like this, so we're going to go like this so we can get in there, and we have to take the struts loose. Now before you do this, make sure you have the hood supported somehow, because this hood is very heavy and it will be slamming on your head. So make sure you have this right here supporting the hood before you take the struts off. And this is how you do that. What you do here is you just get under this with this screwdriver. There's a little click right there. You pull these out. Pull it up. There it goes. Okay, like I said before, make sure your hood is propped up before doing this. What you do is you get here, pull this thing out, pull it out right there. Now, it comes right off. When you do this job, make sure your car is level. All right, this is where we're gonna go to take off. That's right there. All right, so we're gonna start draining and see what's in this thing. See how bad it looks. Before taking out this plug, put down a napkin down there in the very bottom, just in case you drop the plug and you also have a lot of oil that comes out. You don't want to get under the engine, so do that first. All right, got it right here. You can also, if you have to, you can tie this hose up back here, or you can go under it with your hand, and when you get it started to twist off, get your hand in there and just start turning it. So that's an easier way to do it. All right, here is take the syringe off, and then you have to wiggle it down there, and you got to get it inside of the supercharger. So it will stop when you first go in, but you have to wiggle it, and then it will go in further after a while. But I take the syringe off. All right, here we go. First batch. Actually, it does not look bad at all. This is pretty, not bad. Let's see what this looks like. Not too bad. It smells terrible though. Wow. One thing I've learned is you have to really fish around to get the oil I was thinking this thing was low, but apparently it's not. You just have to keep fishing around and you'll find where the oil is. All right. It's my second batch. All right, here's number 3. Here we go. We got exactly 1 cup of oil out. That's all I can get out. So what I'm going to do is dispose of this correctly and clean this out and put the new fluid in at the same spot. All right, so what I've done is I have actually emptied everything I had, and it's over 1 cup. So I'm not going to put it all, but I actually will put it all in until it starts coming out of the reservoir. So here we go. What we're doing now, we're pumping the new stuff back in. When you do this, make sure it's not blocking anything. Looking pretty good. That's number 1. Number 2. And again, make sure it's not coming out while you're pushing it in. If you guys want to see the video of this car getting its tensioners and everything changed out, it's on the page as well. All right. That's number 2. You want to make sure that you're not going to overfill this. And this is actually, this is my first time of doing this. But this is what it's in there now is exactly what I pulled out. So I've got a little extra. I'm going to watch and see if it starts coming out of the fill plug. Put a little more. And nothing's coming out. So I might put some more in there. So I stopped. You don't want to overfill it. Do not do that. And you don't have to put anything around the threads. We'll put this back on. So when I get that done, we should be good to go. One reminder is make sure that you do not over torque this plug. You're going to use about 8 to 12 foot-pounds of torque, and that's it. Do not over tighten this thing. All right, thank you. That right there was easy as cake. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the notification button, and I really appreciate you looking at me while I'm doing this. Thank you guys. Bye.